Hello there, my name is Francis Gray and this is another model kit which I would like to show you all today. This is a model kit that I built and painted in the old black and white style, which is of the creature from the Lagoon creature, and it's 1 to 12 scale plastic and was originally made by a company called Aurora, but when I picked this one up it was reproduced by a different company called, I think it's pronounced Moebius. That's Moebius. So let's take a closer look. So in the actual kit itself, you obviously get the creature from the Lagoon, and then you get a remnants of the base, which is the rock. You obviously get the sign plaque. You get the anchor, which is in there, and you get this fish and some other little seaweed and this little starfish down here. Everything else was scratch built. Everything else was added later by me. The skull, all the extra little rocks and everything, all the reeds from behind. I added the reeds because there's quite a lot of scenes in the film where he swims away and hides and looks onward to the people swimming above, and he's always in deep thick reeds, which is one of the reasons why the creature is actually one of my favourite films, because back then it it must have been really hard to swim in a full latex rubber suit and hiding amongst real reeds and hoping not to get tangled up or anything. I also added the little alligator there swimming out, and also somewhere down here is a fish also hiding away and ready to swim off. There he is, little fella. So this was my first time trying to paint black and white, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. The kit itself is a good kit, but it is a little bit fiddly with all the little line seams to fill in and file down, and still add like all the extra bump work and everything so to make it all fit together. But once it's all displayed, it looks really nice.